Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to compare elements in an array to see if they match. So I'm going to create a subroutine called compare elements. And I'm going to create the first array, which is going to be my list 1 equal to quoted words, Mark, Dave, Bill. Okay, so that's the first array. Second array is my array 2. Assign it to quoted words, which is going to be Steve, Sid, and Joe. Okay, so now we're just going to go on to the for each loop. For each, and we're going to do my scalar name. It's going to be list 1, so we're going to be checking for duplicates, and we're going to come on to a conditional. So we do the conditional with if. Okay, we're going to use grep to search, and we're going to use an iterator here. We're going to iterate over the array scalar name and list 2, so we're going to compare list 2, so we're going to iterate over the names and see if there's any duplicates, and if so, we're going to say and print out to the user scalar name is in list 2 as well. Or else, if we don't find any duplicates, we tell the user that. Whoops! Make it look a little nicer. Okay, we're going to print scalar name is not in list 2. A new line character there. Okay. All we have to do now is save it and run it. List 2. My list 2. Let's have a look. Oh dear, we made a little bit of a mistake there. That should be list 2. 22, list 2. So let's run it again. Okay, so Mark is not in list 2, Dave is not in list 2, and Bill is not in list 2. Okay, so let's change this. Let's put Dave and see what we Dave and see what we come up with. Just save it, run the program. There we go. Mark is not in list 2, Dave is in list 2 as well. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, just hit the subscribe button below. It'll only take you 1 second, and you'll get to see all my other videos when they come out. Anyway, I'll catch you in another one. Bye-bye.